This bottlenose dolphin needs a whopping 16,000 calories a day. That's tough. The fish he hunts are fast. They can easily give him the slip in these deep, narrow channels. And twice a day, when the tide goes out, hunting gets even tougher. As the watery world shrinks, razor-sharp oyster beds are revealed. He can't get to the fish here. It's a problem he shares with his pod. To get the food they need, they must use the low tide to their advantage. They stir the water to move the fish into the open and then surround them. In a final move, the pod charge as a perfectly synchronized unit and follow them to hunt on land. It's a huge risk for a heavy aquatic mammal. If they were beached, they wouldn't survive for long. Only a fraction of bottlenose dolphin pods worldwide have learnt to use tidal mudflats in this way. And they'll do it until they've had their fill.